Up next in third position is the Gaggia Classic Pro. The Gaggia is a sleek, solid-performing espresso machine that's sure to add some pep to your mornings. It takes the classic round shape of mid-century design and adds a modern flair with a polished stainless steel housing and curved base that flows seamlessly into the cabinet base. This Gaggia machine also comes with a water tank designed to fit under the countertop and is great for cramped kitchens or home bars. It is a solid option for those who are looking to dive into the world of espresso. You can determine the ideal temperature with the twist of a knob. The adjustable cup tray provides you with a perfect fit for your favorite coffee mug. It includes 2 storage drawers for coffee grounds, filter screens, and more. The accessory kit includes step-by-step instructions on how to make the perfect espresso drink. This machine has the power you need for professional quality espresso and cappuccino. With a commercial-style wand frothing system, it features a solid steel frame and heavy-duty die-cast boiler that provides up to 8 bar pressure and uses 9-gram coffee grinds. It also comes with a wide range of accessory options, including a swivel steam wand, integrated cup warmer, and disassembly drip tray. If you love coffee and want to create delicious espresso drinks in your own home, this is the machine for you. It's simple to use and easy to clean, too. You can ensure every cup comes out perfectly pulled, and it is a perfect addition to any home or small office.